The Commission on Elections has an appeal to qualified voters. It wants them to cast their votes wisely in the coming elections. Noel Perfecto has the details.
The Commission on Election urges all voters to take part in the upcoming 2013 midterm elections. The poll body says voters should not waste their right to choose deserving public servants.
Bago po mag-deadline October 31, we take advantage of the remaining days. Ilang araw na lang po yan. So, kayo po ay pupunta sa opisina ng election officers para po magparehistro. Doon po sa mga magiging 18 years old on or before May 10, 2013. Pangalaw po, kung na-deactivate po kayo, ibig sabihin hindi nakaboto twice in 2 successive regular elections, bumalik po kayo for reactivation of your registration record. O pangatlo po, kung kayo po ay lumipat ng tirahan, then kayo po nag-apply for a transfer of registration para hindi kayo flying voter.
Regarding the controversial dynasty issue, Commissioner Rene Sarmiento says this is beyond the power of the COMELEC and it's up to the people to decide if they still want certain politicians to serve in Congress.
Dynasty po, wala pong magagawa ang COMELEC po dyan, no? Kasi po yung ating saligang batas, ang sinasabi po, prohibited to prohibit political dynasties as may be provided by law. Malinaw po sa Constitutional Commission of 86 na yung law yun ay pasado po ng Kongreso. So, Kongreso lang po ang pwede mag-define and mag-prohibit ng political dynasties. Pangalawa, kung hindi po kikilos po ang Kongreso, may isang paraan po ho. Also by legislation, and we call this Initiative on Statutes. So, meaning, taong bayan po ang magpapasa ng batas according to Republic Act passed by Congress.
Regarding the Akbayan Party List disqualification issue, Sarmiento assures the public that the COMELEC will finish discussions on the matter next week.
Yan po ay pag-uusapan namin baka po this week, no? Dahil po maraming isyong napapabalot po sa party list organization na yan at yung mga akusasyon po ng anak bayan. So yan po ay aming pag-uusapan pa.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.